The armor tail light from Zero, it's the best way to replace this old thing with now a brand new light with Lightstrike animation. It's 2 screws and a plug. It's pretty simple to do. Let's get to it. First thing we need to do is take off the old light, of course. So there's a screw here and a screw here. And these just pop right off. So here's the plug we need to unhook. So you just press it on the bottom and it pops right out. There's a little tab on the bottom there to press. You can pull that out. So now we're just going to set this aside. Now we're ready to put on the armor tail light. Of course, they're red or smoked. They'll come with this decal on it. You just simply peel that off, and this lets you know what's happening with the app for the Lightstrike part of it, and I'll get into that later. So again, you just take that same plug here, and we're going to plug that in. So you want to make sure that that clicks in there and it's firmly seated, and then simply carefully fold the wire up. It kind of folds in there. Put these 2 screws back in. And you don't want to over tighten these because you can strip them out. So you just want to get them in there snug so the light's nice and strongly seated. Perfect. Now, as you can see, you have your choice of black or chrome trim pieces that go over the top. We're going to put the chrome one on this particular one. And it's got dual lock here, and there's a snap on the back side. So you push that on, just slide it in, and with your thumbs just give it a little push till you hear that snap, and then same in the back. Snap, and then this one snapped already, we're good. So with that, that's the install. So let's check and see what it looks like. All we got to do now is have the light talk to your phone using the Lightstrike app. There'll be a link to download that. It's a free app, of course. On top of this, you will have a password. It's 000000. When you first start the motorcycle up, you'll see the light will come on. Open your Lightstrike app, and it'll search. It'll find it right here, the armor taillight. So we're going to turn that on. It takes a minute to find it. And then the first time you start it up, you're going to have to type in that password. It's 6 zeros. You can change it later. So anyway, there's some power animations. There's quite a few of them there. You can go through with the ignition on like that and just play with different ones, see which one you like, choose it. And if we scroll down a little bit, we've got run brightness. So this will adjust how bright the running light is. Scrolling down further, this is the cool part. This is the part that really sets this aside. And this is your brake animation. So if you squeeze the brake, I'm set on 1 right now, brake animation 1 gives you 5 flashes. And then after a certain amount of time, which you decide, it'll go into a brake burst mode like this until you let off the brake, and then it gets it right back to normal. To really see how this all works, there's a features and benefits video that will show you how this all goes together, and go to Zero3D.com for all of the fitment information. So I'm Ken from Zero. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.